When can we start brushing their teeth? When can I start bringing my child to the dentist? Is it okay to use a string method to pull loose teeth? Hi guys! So for today, I will be answering all the questions that I've posted on my Instagram stories. I will try to post it here sa screen, lahat ng mga questions, and then I will try to answer them all. Okay, so for the first question, actually I grouped them dun sa mga similarities ng questions nila. But yeah, so for the first question, sabi nila is, when can we start brushing their teeth? Okay, so for that, usually with sa kids, we start brushing their teeth once a tooth erupts. So yun na, kailangan we brush them na. And then the next question is, what kind of toothpaste can I use on my 2-year-old? Actually may question din dyan na can we use toothpaste na rin to brush the teeth. So my answer for that is you use a toothpaste with fluoride content na to brush your baby's teeth. However, the size of the toothpaste that you'll use will depend on the age of the baby. Okay, so for babies age 6 months to at least 2-year-old, you should use at least a smear size of a toothpaste to brush their teeth. But when your child reaches the age of 2 to 6, you should give them at least a pea-size amount of toothpaste with fluoride. And then when your child reaches 6 years old and above, you can use, the size would be like a half a brush. You can use that to your 6 years old child or older. Okay, so and then the most important thing to do is also to not gargle after brushing. So we let the fluoride stay inside the mouth. If there's bubbles or the lawa, you can just let them spit it out, but the rest of the fluoride should stay inside your child's mouth. Okay, and then the next question is, when can I start bringing my child to the dentist? Okay, so for that, my recommendation would be during his or her first birthday. You can bring them to the dentist to let them be checked by the dentist and assess what needs to be done on the teeth of your child as well. Okay, so follow-up question for that is, when can we have a fluoride varnish treatment for our child? You can ask your dentist when you visit your dentist during your child's first birthday. You can ask your dentist about the fluoride varnish treatment that they can give you. Okay, so as soon as possible, the sooner the better. Yeah. Okay, and then the next question is, when should children begin to use mouthwash and do flossing? Okay, so for the flossing part, actually, children typically need their parents pa rin when brushing their teeth or doing the flossing, ganyan. So, yung range natin for that is that until they can tie their own shoelaces, you still need to assist them while brushing their teeth and flossing. So for the mouthwash, actually we recommend still the use of course, brushing your teeth or your child's teeth with fluoride than using the mouthwash. Okay, so it's better to at least brush your child's teeth twice a day, at least twice a day, without rinsing, than using mouth rinses. But if they can tolerate, or if they can spit it out already, you can let them use it at least once a day. Okay, and then for the flossing, of course, once you see your child's teeth get close to each other na, or there's no more spaces in between, you can introduce flossing as well. For the next question, is it okay to use a string method to pull loose teeth? Okay, so most common tong ginagawa for sa mga wobbly teeth or mga umugang ngipin, but there's other ways din to help remove the wobbly tooth. So meron dyan, you can use like a gauze and then put it on the wobbly tooth. You just wiggle it out, back and forth, and then pull. So it's easier to do that than maybe yung string, kasi baka matrauma pa yung mga bata. But ayun nga, anyway, you can do that. But if all else fails, you can always go to your dentist to let them do the pulling off the tooth if you're too afraid to do that, okay? So in the last question, I have a special guest with me who will be joining me to answer the last. Actually, it's not a question. It's more of a request. So I'll be calling my special guest here with me to help me demonstrate the last request. So your last request is please demonstrate proper way of brushing teeth. So I will let my kids watch it. Okay, so I'll be back and I'll just get my special guest. Hi guys, ayan, so for our last question, which is actually a demonstration, I invited my very own baby, Leighton. Say hi, babe.
Hi.
Ayan, so we'll be doing a brushing demonstration for you guys para you'll know how to brush your baby's teeth. Okay, so Leighton is turning 4 in a few days. So since Leighton is turning 4, he's in the category of the 2-year-old until 6 years old. So, yung dami ng toothpaste natin is just a pea size. Okay? So, it's a pea size. There. I'm not sure if you can see it. But it's a pea size. And then, we brush his teeth na. Okay, Leon, can you face me? Wow! Okay, big. Okay, so for the brushing. Say E first. We can start in front. Okay? So, you can use like a method back and forth like this. Back and forth. Back and forth. Back and forth. Yeah, okay. And then open mouth, Leighton. And then you bite after. Okay. Okay, open and then bite. And then back and forth on the side as well. So you can reach. Yung dulo. And then open mouth again. And then bite, Leighton. You brush the teeth on the side. Say E lang, say E. There you go. And then, of course, don't forget. Yeah, open A. So don't forget to brush yung.
My is for... A is for
yeah. So don't forget to brush, guys, yung areas where they bite. So yung open mo. So sa taas, you can brush it like this back and forth as well. And on the other side, make sure to reach the make sure to reach yung back teeth. Yes. No, the bacteria. Oh yeah. And then open mouth. And then sa lower ulit, you brush it like this. Okay, there you go. And then, of course, don't forget also the inner part of it, the teeth natin naman. Okay, open mouth. And on the other side, open mouth. Open mouth, biggest. Alright, there you go. And then, sa side also sa baba. Maybe, there you go. And on the other side as well. Very good, baby. And then, of course, don't forget also yung front teeth natin dun sa back part nila. Okay, open mouth. So, parang nakaslant like this. Brush it outward. Open mouth. Ayan. Outward also. So, you can brush yung back teeth ng sa front natin. And then also sa baba. Open mouth. Ayan. And then, palabas also. Very good. And then, of course, guys, lastly, don't forget the tongue. Kasi meron din mga bacteria over there. So, you brush it like this. Open it. Very good, baby. Ayan. And then, lastly, don't let them gargle. Let the fluoride stay inside the mouth after brushing. Okay? And that's it for today, guys. Thank you, guys, for all the questions you sent. If you want a part 2 of this, just message me or put it on the comment section down below. Thank you, guys, for watching. Bye! Say bye, baby.
Bye.
Say bye.
Bye.